What's up? Today we're going to be talking about why signs, I guess, are different than what you learned. Doesn't mean that I'm wrong or right, you're wrong or right, yes and no. So signs are different depending on where you live, where you're from, what community you're in. There are a lot of different signs for one word. So if I'm signing something and you think, oh my God, I didn't learn it that way. You're wrong, I'm right. You can't be signing it like that. Some words have 5 different signs. Sometimes it means something else, but it may have the same meaning in the same word. And it doesn't mean you're wrong or I'm right or vice versa or whatever. It's just sometimes kind of like an accent, I guess. So I may say, my bedroom instead of bedroom. It means the same thing. I just pronounce it differently, so I may sign it differently than you do, but it means the same thing and I might be from somewhere else. So yeah, I hope that helped.